Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video we learned what is Android and why it is Android. Today we will dive into setting up our development environment. By the end of this video you will have Android Studio installed and your very first project run. So you will go to the browser and write download Android Studio. Open the very first website, official website of Android Studio. You can click on download Android Studio and check in agree the terms and condition. After that, click on the download. The download process will start it. After the completing of the download process, after the download process complete and installation process is complete, launch the Android Studio. You will see like this. In that, you can new project, select antivirus activity. Next, here you can write the project name, Ladmari Watch apps. This is the package name of your app. This is the storage location where the project will store. Language is Kotlin. Minimum skill is an IPA 24 and label. You don't choose anything, click on finish. After the finishing look and the study for creating the project, the type to the complete top project sync build sync, we will say the folder name file like main activity.kt, and this why we write our logics API calling, how we store the data, local storage widget on all domains. In the layout coded we have activity main.xml. In this file we design the UI, our UI part, how we display the data to the user under the users like buttons, input tab and all the things. So okay, here I select the one device, or you can create a device using the create worker device. Select any device. Next, below the system mesh, select the system mesh and finish to creating the worker device. I have already created, so I will not create again. I just select and run the application. Hope will take some time. We can see the our virtual device here and this running device. Take some time to do the project. So after the project run on process, display display the color text this and bar of the application. Here it is already. We can say like or shown. Then again tail the file, build the application and launch. Now when you have successfully installed Android Studio and created your first app. In the next video, we will learn about the structure of Android project and how activities and layouts work together.